Nigerians' presence are felt anywhere they go to. I'm telling you, Nigerians' presence anywhere they go to, they are being marked out of the public. To know this man is a Nigerian. This man is a Nigerian because the Super Eagles arrived Morocco. The Super Eagles arrived Morocco in grand style. They arrived Morocco in grand style, I'm telling you, and they arrived at night, which means that anything, in fact, they were shining among other African nations who came for the AFCON. Nigeria were out, like they were shining. The Super Eagles entrance was just so fashionable, you understand? They appeared, in fact, they were looking so elegant, wearing traditional Nigerian attire that reflects their pride and their heritage and national identity. That reflect their pride, heritage, and national identity. Nigerians, anywhere you go, you create impact. I love it. I love it. They're looking so elegant, looking good, looking nice. I'm telling you, my Nigerian people, anywhere you go, you create impact. You get. So as they arrived Morocco, you understand, it wasn't long. They had to schedule training sessions because they left from Cairo. They left from Cairo to come to Morocco to come and play the AFCON. You understand? So while they were in Cairo, they were in Egypt. They played a friendly against Egypt. So their friendly was a very, very good one. It was successful. So they had to leave Cairo, that is in Egypt, to come to Morocco now in preparation for the AFCON, African Cup of Nations, that's taking place. African Cup of Nations 2026 that's taking place in Morocco, you understand? So they arrive in Fes. There's a place in Morocco called Fes. So that is where the Super Eagles are going to play all their matches in the Stade de Fes. Grand Stade de Fes in Morocco. That's where the Super Eagles are going to play all their matches. You understand? So training sessions were scheduled immediately. They began training sessions immediately in order to make up for the lost time that they had. You understand, the lost time that they have not been training together. So this extra training session that was scheduled was in order for Erichel to think about his tactics, his ways of playing, because this AFCON, the Super Eagles need to take this AFCON home. I bet you the Super Eagles need to take this AFCON home. 2 3 times reigning champions, so they need to take this AFCON home because presenters, African sport presenters, and say that the Super Eagles are the strongest contenders. They are the strongest contenders in this AFCON. The strongest. There's nobody else that can contend. They are going to trash everybody one after the other, beat them, and go and take the cup and take it home to Nigeria. I'm telling you, my people. See the joy in me. Nigeria is playing the AFCON and they are going to perform perfectly well. Nigerians all over the world are seriously watching. Nigerians all over the world are seriously watching and waiting for Nigerians, for the Super Eagles to perform perfectly well and take the AFCON home. Nigerians in USA, Nigerians in Canada, yeah, Nigerians in UK, Nigerians in Europe, Nigerians in the diaspora, wherever in the world are anxiously watching the Super Eagles. They want them to play, to do a great job at the AFCON 2025. You understand? To take the AFCON home. Take it home. Let's celebrate. Because sport presenters, sport analysts, those who analyze sport are saying that Nigeria squad is the strongest. They are the strongest contender for this title, for this AFCON 2025 tournament that's taking place in Morocco. You understand? So they are the strongest. Africans, Nigerians, please support the Super Eagles as much as you can. Support them. The Nigerian community, please support the Super Eagles. They need your support. Nigeria has the biggest social media influence in Africa, and I believe what they can do. So please, we need your support. Nigerians, support the Super Eagles as much as you can. Prayer, you can support financially, emotionally. You understand? Pray for them. Your presence is needed in the grand first field. You understand? Grand started the first. That's why your presence is needed. Make some noise for Nigerians, for the Super Eagles to play perfectly well. You understand? So the tournament is going to run from the 21st to the 18th of January 2026. You understand? 21st to the 18th of January 2026. And then Nigeria is in Group C. Nigeria is in Group C, and they are going to play against 3 other countries, which means that each group has 4 countries. Each group has 4 countries. So these 4 countries now, Nigeria is in Group C. We have Nigeria, we have Tunisia, we have Tanzania, we have Uganda. So for me, these other three other countries do not match. The 3 other countries do not match Nigeria at all. Nigeria is going to beat them, blue, black, point blank. You understand? Beat them and go for the title. Nigeria needs to take the title home. Nigeria needs to take that title home. It is very, very important. You understand? The Super Eagles is the most expensive squad. The most expensive squad in Africa. They have good players, very well matured, mannered players. You understand? So Erichel, the coach, is really doing a great job. So he has come up with a team of 28 players that has been selected. He has selected 28 players featuring key players like one Victor Osimhen. You understand? Victor Osimhen is Nigeria's captain. He's carrying Nigeria at his back. He's carrying Nigeria on his head, behind his back. Everywhere Nigeria, he is carrying Nigeria as a captain. So he needs to perform. He needs to make sure, satisfy Nigerians, take this title home, the AFCON home, because we need him. You understand? So we have star players like Victor Osimhen, Ademola Lookman, Wilfred Ndidi, Calvin Bassey, and Paul Anuachu. You understand? So there are many more good strikers who are among the 28 selected players that Eric Shaw selected to play for this AFCON. And I bet you they're going to do a lot. They're going to perfect. They are going to do the best they can in order for Nigeria to take this title home. You get? So Nigeria is moving higher. And what I love about Nigeria is the way they present themselves. They entered Morocco in a very fashionable way, looking elegant, looking very good. Traditional Nigerian attire that reflects the pride and integrity of national identity. It's so beautiful, Nigerians. I love you people. Any people, anywhere you guys go, you people create impact. So at the AFCON, Nigerians, support the Super Eagles for the AFCON. They need your support as much as they can, because as they are in Morocco in first playing, I bet you they are going to perform well, because Nigerians all over the world are seriously watching, are seriously ready, watching to support the Super Eagles get this title home. The AFCON is what Nigeria needs. Nigeria needs to take the title. Nigeria needs this title, and they are going to take it home. Please, fans, support them as much as you can. So their training sessions is really intense, because they are trying to make up for the lost time. So they are training seriously every day. The tournament is going to begin on the 21st. It's going to run from the 21st of December to the 18th of January. So please, my people, support the Super Eagles as much as you can. You can leave comments to talk about them. Good reviews, bad reviews, it depends. You understand? Try as much as possible to support them as much as you can, but make sure you leave comments, make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to this video, so it can go viral for other Nigerians or other Nigerian communities to see that Nigerians are ready and capable of taking this AFCON home. No matter what, no matter the stage, they are ready to take this title home.